What's going on, guys? Patrick here from PatrickLawrenRealty.com, and today we are showcasing this amazing property over here in Waialae Iki. It is listed for just over $2.5 million, and for good reason. You're going to see some amazing features as well as view, so stick around to get all the details. See you on the other side. Now, when you step in this home, there's a lot to cover, but we're gonna start with the best part, which is the upstairs. Now, the main entrance is downstairs. You do have a separate entrance over here, but this is really where living actually starts. Now, up here, you're gonna have upgrades to the 9, updated luxury vinyl plank floors, updated windows. You've got the split ACs and of course canned lights that brings in. Now we discussed kind of the common space, but now we're gonna look at the bedrooms and the bathrooms. Now we didn't actually go over the stats. So this is actually a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, single family home. Again, like I said, in Waialae Iki. It is sitting on a 7,400 square foot lot and has 2,400 square feet of living space. So let's take a look at what it has to offer. My initial thought of reasoning for splitting up the unit potentially, or even just utilizing the space for family, friends, people who are visiting, is because you have a wet bar down here. Now this is extremely convenient for somebody who just wants to put some nice drinks and snacks in here if they have friends, or if they wanted to separate the unit. Again, there's a way to do it. Reach out to me if you have any questions about that so you can do it legally, but you do have the plugins to make this maybe a more useful wet bar, for lack of better words. Again, reach out to me if you want to know how you could actually maybe split this unit up. All right, guys, so that pretty much wraps it up. If you guys got any value out of this video, do me a huge favor. Make sure you smash that like button, as well as click the subscribe and notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop videos just like this. If you have any questions about this property or any properties out here in Hawaii, feel free to reach out to me.